Hello everybody, it's Lacquer Lover, and in today's video I will be teaching you guys how to do this RM Forever Rain music video inspired nail art. We start by applying base coat to our fingernails. Then white to our thumb, index, and middle nails, and black to our ring and pinky nails.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서.
On the index finger, start by drawing a circle towards the bottom half of the nail, and then a kind of rectangle below that and fill that in. Then I drew a smaller circle in the big circle, and then two kind of lobes coming out of the rectangle, and then I drew a kind of trapezoid shape and filled that in. Then I drew this bottom part that's like a coat. This is a scene where he is looking at the moon, I suppose. So kind of like behind this person is going to be a really big black circle, and I can only show part of it. So you can see I'm just drawing the top part of the arc, and then I fill it in with black polish.
비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어 And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지.
For the middle nail, start with a short stroke towards the top part of the nail, and then a downward sloping line, and a line that's kind of parallel to the first stroke you made. Then we're doing the lips, so you need kind of two parts that stick out, and then for the chin, you can see I'm just drawing that there. Then I'm just going to be drawing his cap. So his cap is kind of slanting downwards, and I did fix this line a couple times, but it's okay because we're only using white and black, so you can alternate between those to fix up mistakes. And also his hair is going to be black, so it will cover up those extra lines you made. And I also drew his ear. Then I fixed the nose because I needed a little bit more space on his face for the hair. Then I drew the top part of the cap. Then draw the neck, and then the back part of his hair that extends into the neck. And then there are some shadows on his face. The shading on the neck and the top part of his face is just cross-hatching, and then you want to fill in his hair with more black polish. Make sure to go behind the ears and towards the neck as well. And then I drew a few thin lines representing the rain. For the flying bird on the ring nail, start with drawing the head, and that extends into the body. Then with a few strokes slanting in various directions, draw the first wing. Then connect that to the rest of the body and extend it to make the tail. Then fill this in with white polish. Next, use black polish to correct any mistakes or to change the shape of the wings. Using white polish, draw the second wing that is behind the front one.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어 누가 나 대신에 좀 울어줬으면 해서 yeah 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어.
With more black polish, just keep adding it until you get the desired shape. For the pinky nail, I'm going to be drawing a water ripple droplet design, so I'm just drawing the part that's in the front, and then I'll do the back, and then there are some dots of water that are kind of bouncing out of the water, so I represent that later as well. And there's also a ripple, and you will see the lines in the ripple.
Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow. Forever. Forever. 비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어 And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까 제발 아무것도 묻지마 그냥 영원히 내려줘 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어.
For the thumb, just write RM playlist mono, which is from the picture that he posted of his playlist cover. So I just did it based on that, and it's supposed to emulate his handwriting / the font that he used. Once you're done, just top coat the design with a generous layer of top coat. Make sure you seal it and also cap the edges so that this design lasts as long as possible. Now your RM Forever Rain nail art is complete. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and I'll see you all in the next. Bye everyone!